Guys, thanks for tuning back to my channel. My name is Mimi Carver and I'm back at it with another wig review. So today's unit is brought to you by Wig Type. So I'd like to say thank you guys for sending over this unit. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. Hey, how you doing? I do hair, beauty, and fashion, mostly hair. So I had to go ahead and click the subscribe button and notification bell so you guys don't miss any more of my uploads in the future. Okay, you guys, so today I'm reviewing Sensational Butta Lace Loose Beach Wave 28, and I have her in the color Balayage Hazelnut. This unit, you guys, out the pack is so gorgeous, very thick at that. She is very full. The unit is actually a 28-inch in length. Some of the features of this unit: it is a premium synthetic fiber. It does have loose wave where it moves with your body. It does come with the ear-to-ear lace, but this unit was actually pretty big for me, so that's the next thing I'll talk about. So some of the pros and cons. I love the color for the pros. The con to me is just a little bit too thick for me. It's like more of a yaki, but a soft light yaki feel, but it's very thick. It does have a bigger size cap. The unit is a little bit bigger for my head, so it is super big head friendly. So if you do have a bigger size head, it will fit you. For me, it was like overlapping my ears, so that's why I didn't really glue down the unit. I just used this unit as glueless. That's what I like to do sometimes for wigs that are too big, because you can just put the unit and just go about your business. But other than that, the unit is actually very pretty. I just love the melted, not the melted, but the melt on this look. Even without the without the me gluing her down. And I also love the Butta Lace collection. So anything that's Butta Lace, I just know that their unit will be really good, even if I didn't melt it down. If you like this unit, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share, and click that notification bell while you guys are at it. And be sure to check out my description box to make sure you guys are trying to purchase this unit. And thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next run.